Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Guess what? I have a new FaceUps sheet. So exciting. So I'm premiering this FaceUp sheet. There will be a link in the description box below where you can find this and the other two previous FaceUps. I know a lot of people are enjoying them, using them with magazine images in their art journals and using them as FaceUps on their Justine paper dolls. So this is so much fun. I can't wait to show you. This has got a Wonder Woman, a steampunk girl, a witch, a clown, a modern day Marie Antoinette, a sugar skull, a masquerade girl, a pirate, the Mad Hatter, and a cute cowgirl. So those are the new FaceUps. I'll show you a few cute art journal pages I used with FaceUps and magazine collage images. So for this one I've got Go Ahead, Underestimate Me. That'll be fun. This fun image that came out of a magazine, I think of Vogue, where the girl's got big old bold shoes and a chainsaw, and she's cutting this topiary plant, and I added the Wonder Woman to it. So it's kind of a funny take on, yep, I'm being Wonder Woman, and go ahead and underestimate me. That'll be fun. I love that. Super fun. These FaceUps are just so much fun to add to magazine images. Next, I've got the Mad Hatter. So I've got What's the Matter, Dear? Don't You Care for Tea? The Mad Hatter. That's a Mad Hatter saying. I used a really fun doll image out of a 2006 Art Doll Quarterly magazine and the Mad Hatter FaceUp. I added a teacup in the hand and a teapot dripping some tea that is Nuvo Drops that make the tea look real, and just a fun background. So there's my Mad Hatter page. Check out this fun page. I used the Marie Antoinette face on a body that was bent over, and she's in a couture gown, and I found all kinds of images of cakes. Mostly the cake images came from Daphne's Diary magazines. There was a recent Daphne's Diary that was all about their 10th anniversary or 10th birthday of Daphne's Diary, and so it was all cakes and cupcakes. So I just did a great collage. I added sequins, glitter. I kind of layered everything. There's Nuvo Drops to make the icing on the cake dripping. I'm not going to color these images. I love that they're black and white. I think that's just fun. And then I did a border of cakes. And then the words, let them eat cake. And then the cute Marie Antoinette face on the magazine body. So that was super fun. I had a ball making that page. Next, I did this one, and sometimes we feel like we have to fill the page with color. Color the whole background with paint and stencils and textures and all kinds of stuff, but sometimes simple really lends itself to a pretty art journal page. So this page, I just took and drew a square with a ruler. I added washi tape to make the frame, and then a Posca chisel point to make the black frame around that. I did the swoops behind to carry you across the page. I added the words, never feel that you have to wear a mask, always be yourself. And I used the mask girl from the Masquerade Girl, and I added some gemstones to the mask and a feather. And that body came from the cover of a Daphne's Diary. I used the hands those are the dies from Paperbae. So I used the hand dies to cut out hands and the stamp set to create these cute hands. So the hands can be used in a nice way with magazine images to make collage to add some really fun hands. And then I found this great dress, and it was perfect for the Day of the Dead girl, the sugar skull face. I think she's just so dreamy. I love her. And I love this dress. It was perfect for that. And then I added a little border of some pen work to make it lacy, and some different legs. Those are from a different magazine image. And then I did use Nuvo Drops on the shoes to make them shiny like patent leather. So here's just some fun ideas to show you how to use the face-ups with magazine images and collaging different things from different places, different books, different magazine images, and to put the face-up character onto the body, and you can make some really great and fun art journal layouts. So I hope this inspires you to go play, and I'll have the link below for the face-ups, the previous face-ups, the new face-up sheet, the Paperbabes die cuts if you're interested in those cute little hands, or her die cut doll, paper dolls. And hopefully you'll go make some art and have some fun, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by. And one thing I always forget to mention, that the final step that I always take with my pages, I always seal them with a matte finish spray on varnish. It's non-yellowing and it resists moisture. It dries, it says in minutes, but it really, because this is Arizona, it dries really, really fast. It leaves a permanent protective matte finish, so it doesn't put any gloss. It seals everything in. It keeps dirt and oils and things from your hands from ruining your art. And then I also use for things especially that have things like Nuvo Drops. They can be very sticky, and if you're in a humid place, they can make your pages stick together. So can Matte Gel Medium for putting down your images, or Mod Podge. So I always use Gamblin Cold Wax Medium, and I've had this same jar forever, and look at, I've only used probably a quarter of it. I've had it for probably 6 years now. And you just take a little bit on your finger, and then you just rub it on the places where there are things that might cause your page to stick, like if it's an image that's been put down with Mod Podge. I just put a little on my finger, rub it across the page, and then I take a soft cloth and just buff it away, and it doesn't change anything on your page, but it keeps it from sticking together. So I thought I better start mentioning that those are the two final things that I always use on my art journal pages.